No, say if children they do all those things. You can imagine the first daughter, that girl should be 10 years or 12 years old. Everyone, hello. It's your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first to be notified. If you have subscribed here before, thank you. God bless you, people, for being the part of my family. Thank you. And my darling people, today's topic now about train your children well. Train your children well because what's going to happen these days? We not really understand and we not really know like what did happen again. What did this word they turn it way again? We not really understand really because you can imagine one video when I see the video deal with me. I don't feel put on for here because of YouTube security, YouTube law. But if you need a video, you can private chat me. I will give it because I see they cashed some children. What did everyone do this topic we say? Because what did the woman talk say? In no know. Say if children they do all those things. You can imagine the first daughter, that girl should be 10 years or 12 years old. 10 years, yeah. Maybe like a good day. Then the second one go there that kind maybe 8 years or I don't know. Then the other one maybe that kind 6 years, you know. I know poverty can make some children turn into another thing where you don't go understand you know, because I don't really know what it will make those children the thief. And with one way they surprise maybe say their mama say they don't know. Say if children they do all those things, you know, and do not they sleep the same house, do not they sleep the same bed, you know, saying no no. And they can say okay, who they can open door for those children if they come back. Saying no no when they come back. The thing it looks somehow, you know, but the children see the talk and say they are man on them. So the thing can they surprise me. How you go born picking. You know, will carry I follow your picking. If your picking they do anything like okay, what about if you bring those things come house, you know, they ask them those food stuff where they go the thief. Because you know go ask and see where they foresee them. How your picking go bring something from outside, you say you don't know. That thing looks somehow. Like seriously, really. It looks somehow. You know? Like okay, they catch those children. That will not be the first time where they do this thing. They even tell the girl, make the girl enter the store. How they tell they enter? The girl, he enter inside the store. How they tell they do he enter the store. She enter. If you see the way where they pass enter, you know when you build store, so this thing where they tell they build them, you go see they up small. So the wound as in the wound where they take fence am, if they up small. So the down, the small pikin go suffer use, they will suffer enter in the night, enter the down, go pack many things, then they will constantly come out again. And so they tell it do am. You know, say one day for the thief, one day for the owner, you know. So that day now, law can't run against them. They can't catch them, those children. As they can't catch them, they can't they ask them, who they send on now? Who they send on now, they do this kind of thing. They say now their uncle. But their uncle, they lie, say not be him. But now their uncle, they point. So not be the first time we do they send them. Maybe they do that kind of thing, you know. But the mama say, he no know. Una reason that part, say the woman no know. Una reason her well. The woman say, he no know. Now say that party they shockalize me, oh. That part they surprise me, oh. When you say you don't know, say you're picking the thief. The thing they surprise me, oh. When I see the video, I shockalize. They don't beat the man, blood don't they even come out, you know. Even the woman, they don't beat him. So they see the stand say no. That's it no. That part guy be. You know, my dear, you know. Because you not fit tell me say you not go know say your children come up for us in the night. Small children like that will never even grow. Pikin when you supposed to see they carry high follow. And that small girl, a very beautiful girl. Very beautiful. What will come make you not feel train that small pikin way? Poverty can make people do what they're not supposed to do. I know that one. But at least I beg. Where would they train our children when? Where would they carry I follow them? Because supposing if they carry I follow those children, if you know say that they do this kind of thing, or first say not be say I believe you, or say you don't know, I don't believe you because say you know if you tell me say you don't know when your children they do this kind of thing, you know, it gotta be. You know if you tell me say you don't know. You know if you tell me this woman, your children go just every time that they go this woman, this person shop, go they pack things. So you don't know. They don't go for arrest those children now they go arrest them. I know saying poverty. Now make those children do what they go they do. Because poverty can make people do anything way they want to do. Children will not go see food, eat sis. If they see that kind of opportunity to go thief, they'll go thief. You understand? I like as they not build those children because they don't know anything. They're supposed to be the grown-up one where they send them. Because they teach them bad thing. That makes you say some people thief don't enter their head where we say anywhere they go, they know they feel stay without they not thief. Because they don't start time right for small begin. You understand? They don't start time. They don't start time, it don't strong for their body. So to come stop them, it guy be. That makes you say they know they feel stop them. So maybe would they train our children way? What would they train them way so that if they grow, me they don't depart from it? You understand? Okay, see now, children will just start to the thief like this. If they can't grow, not be gone or can't they carry, I will rubber, and they will come be. And they will come be. You can imagine the mama they saying no, he not know. And who will come believe you? Say you don't really know. Who will believe that kind of thing? Say you not really know. Who will believe that kind of thing? Nobody will believe. Nobody will believe you, my dear. Nobody, if you believe that kind of thing, say you don't know. Una go dey lie, go see you go see the enter una. Can you imagine you want to spoil your children's life? Small children will be say they never even know anything. They don't start to the thief for that age. Just see the way that girl don't learn how to enter from down, go the thief. If that girl can't grow now, you can't go join those Yahoo boys. Begin they do nonsense. Tomorrow you say if those people can't start to the still can't strong for their body, you call they give wish. They carry and go different pastor, make they pray for her. But I want you don't teach her right from baby. I ain't already know say that to thief that be the good thing. You understand? So let's try to train our children well so that if they grow up, they go be a good children to you, you know. They are peace and I mean born this speaking. But if you not train them well, where they this small, if they grow up, the one what they go past this one, oh. See the one what they do so na small one. When you not come talk again, and you don't old now. Now only to come they shout, they say, oh God, who do this kind of thing to me? Who do this kind of thing to me? You're not gonna say now what you use your own hand, take course. You're not gonna know. You understand? So maybe they try. Maybe say we train our children way. Just you can imagine children who don't start to the thief like this. They pack so many things for the woman shop. They finish the woman shop. Small children like that. So you can imagine, say, supposing they don't grow up small. You know, they forever finish the shop safe. For that their age, see what they feel pack. Not be that they start them before law can run against them, that they can't catch them. So this woman, that one, I just crocodile tears where you dey cry that day they lie. You know, my dear, you know, because who can somebody ask you for this? Say who can they open door for them? Say that's your uncle. Where they point? Like on the open door. You don't come your the sleep far. Which kind of sleep you can sleep when you don't know see your children they come for us in the night? Like me now, I know if you sleep that kind of mumu sleep where be say I know can't know what I they do. So you will just sleep, you know can't know what you they do again. Like seriously, who will can't believe you for that kind of thing? I beg, talk truth when go enter here though. Talk truth when go enter here. So I just want to give this advice to mothers. I beg, and their fathers, maybe they train our children well, because see what those children do now make it not happen to us, and maybe they use ear till they hear that kind of thing. Thank you, everybody. Take care until I come your way next time again. I remain your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, go and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you, everybody, and bye. Bye bye.